machine, the BRAC P11A planting machine is the most reliable option. This easy-to-use machine provides regeneration of the highest quality and with the greatest possible consideration for environmental and ecological aspects. Plus, the operator can also choose the planting bed for each individual plant. When working with most soil types, mounding is the most appropriate way of planting. The BRAC P11A is capable of making mounds of inverted humus, then later on compacting it, so that the plant is set in the middle of the mound, depending on what the site needs. Scarification can also be varied with this attachment. This can be done simply by raking the ground with the head's bucket to make scarification patches, or to plant directly without scarification. Aside from that, it also has a PLC platform-based control system that communicates over a CAN bus. This tracks the total number of the plants set in the ground, as well as the number of hours used. The planting and mounding function are controlled effortlessly, large windrows too. This follows a certain rolling activity that helps remove soil from wood residues. This is important because this makes it perfect for clean burning or even biofuel processing. Through these powerful rotary rakes, 4 to 6 acres can be processed in only 1 hour. Talk about speed and world-class performance at once. In conducting full-scope regeneration work from scarification to planting with a single of worn-out parts than previous version. The BRAC T28 also has low traction points on its arms, making even actions on the ground regardless of soil variations possible. If traditional dozer-mounted front bush rakes appear to be very expensive and ineffective for you, the rotary brush stick rake from Savannah Global Solutions LLC might be worth your shot. Aside from its heavy-duty rakes, capable of raking in fallen leaves, this machine has also successfully lifted stumps and root residues into operators can switch if ever they need a no-till of a tillage machine. Then we also have the BRAC T28, one of the most robust and flexible disc trenchers capable of tilting its disc just to the humus. It can tilt it towards the same direction, left or right, or facing towards or away from each other. This unit is also very helpful in the field of agriculture, since it can withstand even the harshest terrain conditions you could ever imagine. Whether it's a terrain with lots of rocks down to places with slushes, one of its many quirks is also the scarification, which gives more planting beds for plants and seeds, regardless of terrain. It also has other wonderful features like the new discs made to provide better scarification quality, better economy, and easier replacement. It also has a drum that can be loaded with extra weight water and another version of it, which is known as the multi-drum version, that allows the addition of 2 blades on the rear part of it. The chopper roller is usually employed to cut and kill light to medium growth during site preparation. It's also amazing that even with its size, the jumper roller can just be pulled up by a prime mover or a skidder. Designed for agricultural aeration and land management from the ground up, this tandem aerator from RanchWorks works fantastically. This attachment is capable of doing a maximum subsoil fracturing power to brush clearing and land management applications thanks to its ranch tech blade. Heavy-duty steel structure and triangulated tongue. It also has a very drum offset that hinder land development and pose safety risks. The F460L stump cutter solves this by efficiently removing stumps. Its advanced technology and powerful cutting capabilities streamline stump removal processes, transforming previously unusable land into a clean canvas for new projects. By enabling safe and effective stump removal, the F460L ensures that land is ready for new growth and development, contributing to urban planning, agriculture, and various land-based endeavors. Chopper roller from Debron. This is attached to a tractor whenever the operation requires rolling down and cutting or trimming trees. Accuracy and efficiency are two of its main characteristics. Since this can break down into shallow roots and cut trees up to 3 inches in diameter, ensuring responsible timber extraction and minimizing damage to sensitive ecosystems. Including our lineup is the stump cutter Lasky F460EI, a powerful machine that addresses land maintenance with precision and efficiency. Tree stumps can hit its compact yet powerful design. The 180 swing yarder combines high performance with mobility, making it an ideal tool for extracting timber from challenging terrains. Its swing capability enhances efficiency, and its advanced technology increases productivity while reducing environmental impact. One of the most impressive features of the new TigerCat 180 swing yard is its powerful engine. This machine is equipped with a turbocharged diesel engine that produces a whopping 420 horsepower. With that kind of power, you can easily handle even the thickest grass and tallest weeds. The new TigerCat 180 swing yard also has a number of safety features, including a roll bar and seatbelt. It also has large, easy-to-read gauges that give you all the information you need about your engine and mowing performance. The machine's significance lies in its role in sustainable forestry. Let's venture into the heart of forestry with the new TigerCat 180 swing yarder. This innovation redefines timber extraction with 40SP is a self-propelled device that efficiently arranges and packages small bales of hay and straw, streamlining a process that once required manual labor. What makes it unique is its ability to handle small bales with ease, reducing the need for labor-intensive tasks and optimizing the efficiency of the packaging process. Its significance lies in its contribution to modernizing agriculture practices, making bale packaging faster, more efficient, and less physically demanding for farmers.